someone. Missing someone.
Hello everyone, so for today's video I am back and I'm going to be filming a evening routine for you. This is going to be in a little bit of a vlog style. I am filming on my new camera, which is the Canon G7X Mark II, so hopefully the video turns out alright. This is the first time I'm actually using this camera, so yeah, we will see how everything turns out, but I'm going to just be showing you my evening routine. So it's got a little bit of a Christmas theme to it, as you can kind of see with the tree in the background and like my bedding right here next to me as well. All very festive. I am going to do this in half a vlog style, half probably a voiceover. Just going to film you throughout my evening. It is a weekend as well, so it's not like I'm coming back from college as I've broken up for Christmas now. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, and yeah, I'm just going to get into it. Okay, so the first thing I do when I come back in the evenings is I will wear something comfortable. So I was wearing this top underneath, which is from Bershka, and then this jumper from Topshop today anyway, and then I was wearing some jeans from H&M, but I've actually just changed into some tracksuit bottoms. These are from Primark. These are like £5 and they're just comfortable, and then I've also got some fluffy trainer socks on, which are also from Primark. So yeah, in the evenings I like to just be comfortable. Got my hair back and everything, so yeah, that's the first thing I always do when I come home, just put really comfy clothes on. I also put on all my lights, so as you can see I've got the lights on my Christmas tree, and then I've also got these lights on my bed. Yeah, these lights are from Asda. As you can see I've also got the matching bedding on, but yeah, I just like having a few lights on in the evening, as it also means when I go downstairs I can turn the big light off and there's still a little bit of light in my room. So in the winter it's really nice to sit down with your family and watch something, and tonight we decided to watch a film. So I was kindly gifted this LED projector by Goodee, I think that's how you say it, so thank you so much for sending me this. But basically it's a projector, so instead of using a TV you can project anything you're watching up against a wall. So I'd already opened the box obviously before just to check nothing was damaged, but as you can see it comes in this travel case, and then this is the projector itself. So it's quite small, compact, and it's really light as well, which is such a bonus. You don't want something that's really heavy. This is then all the parts that come with it, so cables and also a remote for ease of access when you're customizing the settings and everything like that once it's plugged in. You can also adjust the focus and also like the zoom, so you can really customize it to fit to your wall. I will link down below the website if you are interested in purchasing one, along with a discount code to get you some money off as it is Christmas. So all we did was use the computer. We found this worked best as you could plug in an HDMI cable into the computer and also into the back of the screen. It does come with full instructions of how to use different devices and things like that, so if you've got a disc or anything else you can do so. So this evening we decided to watch Elf, which we just streamed through Amazon Prime Video, and obviously as you can see we've plugged it into the computer and just set that all up, and then it projects very clearly onto the wall, making it such a big screen, kind of giving it that cinema feeling. As you can see I've put it on a tripod, which I have from filming YouTube videos. You can purchase a tripod separately to do this, but just because of the height we needed it at, we needed it to be quite raised up. I would say we had to change our seating around a little bit just so we didn't have the tripod in our view, so next time I'd probably move that around and things like that. But yeah, I was really impressed with how well this projected, and we were able to enjoy the evening watching a really nice Christmassy film. After we finished the film we did have dinner. I didn't think that was very interesting to record, but I just had homemade fish and chips really. But yeah, like I said, not very interesting to record. And then I just chilled out in my bedroom, as on the weekends I like to have a break and just watch YouTube and just spend time chatting away to my friends. So I've just finished watching Elf. As you can see we put it on the big screen with a projector, and I would highly recommend the projector. I think it's one of the best things I've ever been sent, so I'd like to say a massive thank you for sending me the projector. It is so good. I really recommend, if you do get it, getting a tripod. When you buy the projector, there's like a coupon thing that comes with it, so you can get the tripod or a soundbar or something at a discount, and it also comes with free shipping, which I think is a really good perk. But I already had a tripod from filming, so we just put the projector on that and it was absolutely perfect. But yeah, it was just so nice to be able to watch a film on like a big screen. The quality was really, really good as well for something that like big, and yeah, I'll definitely be using that a lot. I think we were talking about it for like big sporting events or films and things like that. The projector is definitely worth it. So I'll leave a link down below in the description box with all the information, discount codes, everything like that, if you are interested in looking into the projector or purchasing. Then this was a lot later on in the evening and I decided to have a shower. So here I'm just taking all my makeup off, using my cleanse and polish, and then I actually bought one of those Luna minis. Just thought I would test it out. It's not sponsored, but actually I can see why they're worth the hype. So yeah, I'm just using this to remove all my makeup before I get in the shower. I just like to have a really nice clean face. And then once I've kind of rinsed this out, I also use this little flannel, which is from Primark. It's meant to remove your makeup with just water, so I was just going over with that. Just get rid of any excess things, especially like mascara.
with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
After this, I just spent time with my family, watching TV and things like that. And then at about 10:30, 11ish, I ended up going to bed as I was quite tired that evening, not gonna lie. So I just wanted to do a little outro to this video. So I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Like I said, the links to the projector and discount codes and everything like that, all the information you need will be in the description box below for you. And if you would like to see more evening routines or morning routines for different times of year, for different kind of situations, like for school, whatever, then do let me know. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!